In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete conversation history in Grok AI if you've been experimenting with prompts, sharing your screen during a demo, or you simply want a fresh start. Clearing old chats can help protect your privacy and tidy up your workspace. I'll walk you through the essential actions, explain what to look for on the page, and share a few quick tips so you feel confident before you remove anything. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to grok.com. You can use any modern browser on desktop or mobile. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your chats. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Grok interface where your conversations and tools are available. Give the page a second to load fully, especially if you have a lot of past conversations. Next, look for the history area. On desktop, you'll typically find history in the left-hand sidebar or navigation panel. It's usually labeled clearly, and sometimes it's grouped near other organizational sections like recent chats or saved items. On a smaller screen or mobile device, you might need to tap a menu icon to reveal the navigation first and then select history from there. Open history to see a list of your past conversations. Each entry should display a title or a snippet so you can identify what you want to remove. When you're ready, locate the conversation you want to clear and select Delete. The Delete control often appears as a button or an icon next to the conversation entry. Click or tap it once, and if Grok prompts you to confirm, read the message carefully before proceeding. Deleting a conversation is typically permanent, which means the messages, context, and any assistant responses in that thread will no longer be available. If you think you might need the content later, consider copying any keynotes or downloading relevant outputs before you finalize the deletion. After you confirm, the conversation should disappear from your history list. If it doesn't vanish right away, refresh the page to update the view. That's all there is to it. Go to Grok, open history, and delete the conversation you no longer need. Take a moment to double check you're removing the right thread, especially if you manage multiple projects. And keeping your history organized not only safeguards sensitive information, but also makes it easier to find and